There are times when you work in Excel that the spreadsheet is so large when you scroll, you lose sight of the items like the column headers that you need when you're entering data. So, to help with that, we have a thing called freezing panes. So, to freeze a pane so that it stays at the top of the sheet so you can edit along the rest of the sheet, go up to View, open up the View ribbon, and go over to Window. And in Window, you have Freeze Panes. Opening the dropdown will allow you to freeze the panes, which keeps the row and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet is able to be scrolled. Or maybe we just want to freeze the top row, or maybe just the first column. In this case, we are going to freeze the top row, which is our column headers. Now that is frozen. So I can scroll and that first row is still visible. So I can continue to add items inside the spreadsheet because I know what the column headers are. And then you just unfreeze the top row, unfreeze panes. And now it's back as it should be. That is how you freeze panes in Excel.